be getting rid of facial hair. Not only facial hair, guys, but also hair under your armpit, hair down here, and wherever you're looking to get rid of unwanted hair. Now, the beauty about this unwanted hair remover is that it is a no wax and it's pretty easy to make. You're using natural ingredients, guys. What this is gonna do is gonna slow the hair growth down, and that's what you need. Once you use it on a regular, guys, you're gonna notice that your hair is taking a week to grow back, then it's turned into 2 weeks, then it turned into 3 weeks, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in this recipe, keep watching the video.
Our first ingredient is baking soda, and baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the baking soda, and then I'm going to crush it to make sure there are no lumps. Now, the way baking soda works is that it inhibits the growth of the hair, meaning that it slows the growing process down tremendously, and when mixed with the other ingredients, it's going to be even more effective. So the hair is going to slowly fall off, and it's going to take much longer to grow back. My next ingredient is turmeric powder, and turmeric powder works on the hair just as much as the baking soda. So when you mix these 2 ingredients together, what it's going to do once you use it on the regular is going to cause the hair to fall off slowly but surely, and also it's going to cause the hair to take much longer to grow back. So we're mixing the 2 ingredients together, and we're making sure there are no lumps, so we are mixing well. So once this is done, we're going to reach for a 3rd ingredient, and this is going to activate the other 2 ingredients. Here I have some sea salt, and I'm using just a little bit of the sea salt, around about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. We're pouring this in with the turmeric powder and the baking soda, and we're going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Now, once the dried ingredients are totally blended, I'm going to reach for some milk, and I'm using fresh milk in this recipe. Now, milk is great for cleaning the skin, and also it is good for cleaning pores, and when mixed with these ingredients, it's going to create an amazing facial hair remover. So you're going to mix well. Now, once you're mixing, just take your time and slowly pour your milk. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, but don't add it all at once. Just slowly pour the milk in the mixture. Now take a look. You can clearly see what this looks like. It's very thick, and this is how you need it to be. Now this is very absorbing, guys, so when you mix this and you put it away, it's gonna get a little harder. So definitely keep adding a little bit more of the milk until it is this creamy like I am showing here. Now, once this is done, what I like to do, I like to set this aside for a couple of hours and even overnight before I use it on my skin, so that all the ingredients are infused together. Now, once this is done and it's ready, you're going to take it and you're going to apply it to wherever you're getting rid of your hair, whether your chin, your upper lips. This is also great to use on the armpit. It's also great to use on the bikini area. So just totally massage it and massage it the way I'm showing. You don't need a lot. It don't need to be runny. Just rub it like you're exfoliating your skin. Once this is done, you're not going to rinse off right away. You're just going to leave it on the skin around about 20 minutes or so, and then you're going to rinse off with some cold water. Once you rinse off, pat dry the skin and go ahead and apply your favorite facial or skincare products. Now there's another way to use this, guys, in which you can either wax the area first and then you use this on the spot where you have the ear. Either wax or tweeze, and this way the hair is going to take forever to grow back. And guys, just treat it 2 to 3 times a week and you're good to go. But if you don't want to wax or, you know, tweeze or anything like that, just apply it on the ear and just keep applying it. And what is going to happen is that the hair is going to just slowly start to fall off and also take a much longer time to grow back.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And if this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. You can just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Now take a look at these links, guys. These are the links to my other social media platform. We're on Facebook as Chichi Beauty. We are on Instagram as _Chichi. We're on Twitter as Chichi Beauty. And we're also on Snapchat as Chichix. Go over there and support. I'm trying to grow my Instagram channel. So if you have not yet started following my Instagram, do so. Over there we have very short videos to the point. So show your support by following me on all these other social media platforms. We also have merchandise, guys. So at the side of the video or below the video, there are links to my merchandise. Show some love by purchasing our merchandise. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.